40.
What did they mean TNT? Like, is it Tenorite or is it actually like? I know, but it's like you can just buy comical ass like TNT like you're a cartoon villain. I don't.
We're also crashing countless cars, blowing up thousands of sticks of real dynamite, and even putting 10 jet engines on a car, just to show you the most insane experiments of all time. Starting with filling a house with over 100,000 fireworks. Please do not try this in your house. For this experiment, each of the boys will hide a dummy in my new house to see if it's even possible to survive.
Water and fire don't mix. My mannequin is going to survive.
Mine's in the fridge.
Go in, come on. Let's blow this house up. Hey, be careful. If you accidentally press 1, the house explodes.
Oh my goodness.
Please. Where's your mannequin?
Bathtub.
Fridge. Under the washer.
Tree? Front porch.
Oh yeah, it's sitting right there.
This is gonna be the coolest thing you have ever seen in your life.
Yes!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire in the hole!
Am I crazy or is that kind of weak? It's like weaker than I thought.
I can't even see it anymore. Oh my.
You know what's crazy about this? Like, I'm so used to, like, as an American, my expectations were just like nuclear cloud. You know what I mean? Like mushroom cloud. House is completely eviscerated. We see a fucking mushroom cloud. You know, it's Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer, right? Oh, fuck. Thank God for the fucking Japanese painkillers. Holy shit. Oh, it's the worst. Y'all seen the 4th of July Kai stream? Very similar. Yeah.
God.
I don't think our mannequins are going to make it.
The house burned out all night until there was literally nothing left, including all the mannequins. Next experiment. We're about to play tug-of-war between this real military tank and these 2 school buses. And the loser gets dragged into this pit.
Yeah, no shit.
The tank loses.
We're probably gonna lose.
No, we're not.
Obviously, people can't.
Dude, what is happening? How is he allowed to do this? Is this legal? Do they just let you do whatever the fuck you want in North Carolina? What are you doing? I just did, but okay. Why does he just have a fucking pit? Like, I don't really understand that. He just casually has a pit.
Can't be in these vehicles because they'll die when they fall in the pit. So this remote actually controls the tank. This feels illegal. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go I'm full throttled right now.
You're done for!
There's no way.
Oh, we're screwed.
The buses are done for!
Of course the tank is gonna fucking pull the school buses.
Oh my God! Oh, they're about to fall!
Oh my God.
I love when people go such waste and then you sit there and you watch any movie ever made. I can't tell if this is fake or not, but I do find it particularly funny when people are like, "Man, there's so much waste happening." Even if he like literally didn't do this with CGI, which I think he might have, but even if he actually did this with practical effects, maybe CGI to like boost it a little bit. Just like infinitely more.
You hear the buses beeping?
It's horns going off.
We're gonna go investigate the bottom of the pit to see the buses.
Oh God.
Oh no! I need to stop looking down this terrace. Stop moving!
I'm not moving.
Woo. We're in the pit. Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
Look
that's
at
what
that.
people
Why'd
were
the
saying.
bus
in the
think it
chat.
could beat the tank?
I don't think it did.
Later in this video, a train's gonna come off those tracks and land right about there. But before we do that, this is $50,000 and it is surrounded by thousands of pounds of TNT. And this is Will.
What's up, guys?
See that crate in the field?
Yeah. Oh, man.
That is around 1% of the explosives surrounding this money.
Are we safe standing here?
Yeah, you'll be fine. Here's my credit card. Spend as much money as you want to protect this 50 grand. I don't care if you use wood, bricks, or even steel to protect this money. Whatever's left of this 50 grand when that TNT blows up, You keep. Good luck building walls.
All right, let's make $50,000.
He doesn't stand a chance. The first thing Will did was buy 12 industrial water containers and fill them with 20,000 pounds of water.
I'm really worried that Jimmy's TNT is going to get through this.
And he should be, because
It's
this
smart.
isn't even close to enough to stop the TNT. Meanwhile, we're gonna test another experiment. In a previous video, we put a jet engine on a car and it jumped over 8 buses. So this time we put 10 jet engines on the car and we're gonna see if it flies 10 times further. When this car flies off this ramp, I think it's gonna go past all the buses into the trees.
I think it's gonna hit the first bus.
Our guesses couldn't be further apart. He's currently matrixed into the car, so he sees what the car sees. Chris!
Hey! Oh, should we move?
Yeah, we're sending a rocket car.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1, send the jet car! The car is coming straight at us.
I lost signal.
Maybe we should jump?
Yeah, I'm straightening it.
He lost signal? That can happen? A terrifying prospect. I don't think it's CGI.
Oh my
Or maybe it is. It looks like CGI. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah!
What the heck?
Whoa, wait, we broke the ramp!
I think it was a success.
Yes. The jet car easily cleared all 12 buses and literally left a crater in the road. I love how this block of engines just on the road.
Yeah, it's still smoking.
Whoa!
it's leaking.
Oh, and smoking.
And now we are back at the giant pit. If you jump in this deep pit and land on 1,000
It's not, it's real. They just added effects to make it look cool.